TikTok na kasi ako nag-ano dito. Browse task page na. Ouch. So guys, wait lang. Kita nyo yung CapCut. Download nyo na yan. Tapos ito yung tuta ko. Tignan nyo. Ang kukulit. Ang kukulit guys tignan nyo tapos tumal ang isa. Ito yung pangalay. Ito yung matakuti. Ito yung pangalawa. Kasi isa guys, pinuwa na po yung tuta namin. So guys, hello. So guys, ito na yung face reveal ko. So ngayon guys, kung may face reveal ko ako, makabaan tayo. Sila guys, dami kasi. Tapos pupunta Nagkata na magtampo. Ang kulit mo kasi na hindi na makita. Ayusan. Hindi na kita haluin ang pag-ibig ko sa iyo. Down. Ay, mali pala yun. Guys, sorry ulit. Nagkamali. Diyan tayo guys. Edit tayo. Wow. Ang dami naman po dito. Kulit mo? Ha? Kagat-kagat mo pa ako? Ha? Ay. Tignan. Tignan yung birthday. I'm 10. 10 years old guys kasi mahirap po lang kami. Suyo. Iyon. Ayan. So guys, gusto ko na po. Wala ko dyan, hindi ko po kasi. Ayan po yung profile ko sa TikTok guys. Hindi, dapat nga po guys dapat tayo TikTok. Ito naman ating TikTok guys. Ano guys,
merienda at madaling araw. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kadami. Grabe! Ganyan kadami yung isang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ka pa mabusog dito. Hala. Mga kapatid, pag dumating sa inyo, yung chocolate niya po is nasa pinakailalim. So, ayan. Grabe, ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung di ka pa mabusog dito. Napaka-crunchy. Tingnan nyo, pang dessert na yan eh. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami. Ito yung buy one take one na Choco Crunch. Mura na nga. Buy one take one pa. Ayun mga kapatid, kung gusto nyo rin ng ganito kadami mga kapatid, 360 gram, nandiyan sa yellow basket, ilalagay ko ha. Gintong-ginto po yan mga kapatid. Check out nyo na. Ito talaga yung masarap kainin sa loob ng bahay. Lalo na sa merienda at madaling araw. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kadami. Grabe! Ganyan kadami yung isang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ka pa mabusog dito. Hala. Mga kapatid, pag dumating sa inyo to, alugin nyo siya ha. Kasi yung chocolate niya po is nasa pinakailalim. So, ayan. Grabe, ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung di ka pa mabusog dito. Napaka-crunchy. Tingnan nyo, pang dessert na yan eh. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami. Ito yung buy one take one na Choco Crunch. Mura na nga. Buy one take one pa. Ayun mga kapatid, kung gusto nyo rin ng ganito kadami mga kapatid, 360 gram, nandiyan sa yellow basket, ilalagay ko ha. Gintong-ginto po yan mga kapatid. Check out nyo na. Ito talaga yung masarap kainin sa loob ng bahay. Lalo na sa merienda at madaling araw. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kadami. Grabe! Ganyan kadami yung isang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ka pa mabusog dito. Hala. Mga kapatid, pag dumating sa inyo to, alugin nyo siya ha. Kasi yung chocolate niya po is nasa pinakailalim. So, ayan. Grabe, ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung di ka pa mabusog dito. Napaka-crunchy. Tingnan nyo, pang dessert na yan eh. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami. Ito yung buy one take one na Choco Crunch. Mura na nga. Buy one take one pa. Ayun mga kapatid, kung gusto nyo rin ng ganito kadami mga kapatid, 360 gram, nandiyan sa yellow basket, ilalagay ko ha. Gintong-ginto po yan mga kapatid. Check out nyo na. Ito talaga yung masarap kainin sa loob ng bahay. Lalo na sa merienda at madaling araw. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya
How do I meet the
Bakit ayaw na sa Season 1? Read the caption. Saan caption? Kagabi, nasa bahay ako tapos inutusan ako bumili ng sibuyas. Tapos, naiiyak ako. Kaya umuwi ako sa phone. Tapos, pagkatapos ko umiiyaw, nakita ako ng kapre sa taas. Sumigaw ako sa takot. Dumating si mama. Sorry ako sa kaya hindi na ako sobrang haba guys.
Francine, here you go anyway. Exalted in the sea.
Nice, yeah, cute kid.
Okay, time for presents, guys.
Alright, let's do this, boy. Check out what I got. Bling. Wow, is it cursed? Super cursed. Only the best. Straight from the crib.
He's just starting to walk, so maybe it's heavier than.
Fuck you, bad girl, Batman. Yeah, whatever. I'm not about to cry.
The puppy collar. Wait a second. You could get it for me, Papa Jack.
Oh, no. I could never. Hi! It's surprise! Lord of Darkness, go doggy caterer. I want to understand into my life. Oh, you like this, huh? Hey, now who wants to sit? Sit up, roll over, shake, down, roll over, sit, speak. Hi, how are you?
No pets allowed.
Oh, hello. Welcome aboard.
This is Bob. Say hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Hey, you want to do something cool?
Yeah.
Who's ready to fly?
Me, like a superhero.
Better, like a vampire. Here we go!
Still not flying. He will. Still not. It'll happen. This is a tall tower.
That's why it's good. You should get him. He's gonna fall to his death. His time. He's getting too close to the ground. You know what? He's not gonna fly. Told you, Papa's always here. Morning, Tinkles. Oh, no, Tinkles. I can't play with you. I'm too busy. Tinkles, stop! I said no. No. Go away. A little privacy. Tinkles, I swear. Bad, Tinkles, bad. No. Don't you have anyone else to play with? Wait a second, that's it. I have a little surprise for you. What we need is a monster dog. Like Fluffy Pup. Great news! I found you the perfect master pet to play with. Say hello to your new best friend, Sand. Francine!
Mahinig ka na, sir. Kaya ka nakakalbo. Wawasakin ko pa rin ang buong mundo. Bossing! Ina ko, wala ang buhay ko. Picture na rin kita. Pasag distance ko.
I got 3 million.
Sorry.
Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal.
Yan yung mga
sasakyan sila ba ang filter na kanina?
Tangina ba isang kilo di pa?
Oh, bumura kasi dyan guys. Hindi pa dyan. Hindi yan. Hindi ako dyan. Bawal yun daw. Bawal yan. Ako. Batang Australia boy. Bukas lalabas na guys. Para makita yun. Hindi yan. Dapat guys, ito kasi ako. Kunyari wala kayo nakita. Ayan guys. Tapos yun, namatay kapatid ko. Kaya nahanap ko to. Paano ginawa ko Pilipino? Wala pa yung picture ko. Wala pa pala ang picture guys. Ito yung dati namin aso. Yung matalino. Kamatay nga na guys. Nangkot nga namin ito niya. Ano yun?
Ano ang gagawin mo kapag nakakita ka ng isang rebultong umiiyak ng dugo? Hindi ito isang eksena sa pelikula. Sige, pagbigyan ko nga kayo. Ano naman yan? Bakit? Meron ikaw ano? Hello mga katiyo, may ipapakilala kami. Yung
Ganyan naman yung tsura ng kilikili ko ha.
So apparently, if you search up back rooms on TikTok. Hello po, Mami. Hello. What the fuck? Momo yun?
Hello! Hello!
Bakit bihot ba si Scarlett?
Kaya I'm sure napaka-pogi nitong si
Ang tigas-titi ay.
Ang ganda ng mama mo, no?
Grabe ka naman, para mo naman sinabi mo kung burat yung kaibigan ko.
Uy!
Wala ko naiintindi.
Tignan nyo nga ngayon kung baka magkano na.
You know there was a man 1920 in Pennsylvania, there was a dairy farm owner named Adam. One day, all of his cows suddenly stopped producing milk, not a single drop. He panicked because he had no idea how he was going to make money anymore. And when he had no options left, he slowly turned his attention to his wife, who had just given birth not long ago. And he made a decision that crossed every line. He took her into the barn and did something no one could imagine. He started milking her. Not long after that, he filled up an entire bucket. Without hesitation, Adam took the milk to the market and sold it. And what made it even more disturbing was that people went crazy for it. More and more people started coming specifically to buy it. But the most terrifying part was that it didn't stop. After that, he began approaching more women who had just given birth one after another, bringing them back to his farm. And soon they all became just like his wife. This story actually happened in real life. If you search Women's Farm, you might see things that are hard to even think about.
Hindi na mo woman farm yun eh. Woman farm.
The dark truth about
Imagina que no futuro os produtos são feitos à base.
Ito gusto to. Ayun ko gusto niya guys. Ito. Punta. Secret lang mo guys. Ito yung favorite ko guys. Yung my styling. Wakasan na magpapawa. Ate. Ayos natin kaya mapindot yun.
You know, there was a man who stopped milking.
Posible sa bunga nga.
Trabaho? Sandali! Isang kain sa isang araw tapos magtatrabaho? Anong klaseng trabaho yan? Dalian niyo, magluto na tapos pasok sa eskwela.
Sa eskwela? Ma, nalimutan mo na. Sabi mo, minto kami sa pag-aaral.
Edgar, ulit kayo.
Stop! Leave me alone! I put too hard to destroy everything. He's a living child, Ernesto. He's a threat. Think let him go back land of the living with your auto to keep your memory alive? No.
You're a coward!
I am Ernesto La Cruz, the greatest musician of all time.
Edgar's the real musician. You're just the guy who murdered him and stole his song.
Murdered? I am the one who's willing to do what it takes to seize my moment. Whatever it takes. Apologies, old friend. Let's go.
Lampa ko yung storage. Nagtitilid. Paano, diba? Opo naman to.
Can you hear me? It's me. I said, Mom, remember? Stop, please. If you forget it, you'll be gone. Forever. Here, this was his guitar, right? He used to play it to you? See, there he is. Papa, remember?